So this is like the production center and the assembly of the screens. You can see like assembly of the screens. Still more assembly of the screens. You see the panels are being assembled from in here because it's a dust-free area, so we cannot go inside since it's a dust-free area. So you see here the screen has been assembled, just wiping and cleaning it. And all the different sizes are assembled like in here, like for the screen part in a dust-free zone. Still the same because it's a huge area where they do the assembling part, so they have to assemble like different areas. And this is the end of the screen because here are the tests, and as you can see the screens are there. Then once they're done, they'll get out and they'll come to the area for storage.